quick and effective homemade sore throat relief. In this video, we'll discuss some simple home remedies for a sore throat. Remember to talk to a doctor if your sore throat lasts more than a week and is accompanied by fever and other symptoms. By the way, if you're looking for health monitoring devices, check out our website via the link in the description. Also, we'd be incredibly grateful if you liked this video and subscribe to the channel. Gargling. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt or baking soda in a glass of warm water. Gargle with this mixture every 3 to 4 hours. Salt water helps reduce swelling and irritation in the throat. Baking soda also soothes the throat, breaks down mucus, and can help with acid reflux. Hydration. Dehydration can often cause pain and dryness in the throat. Naturally, drinking water will help correct this. Warm teas are another good option. Chamomile, mint, and fenugreek teas are beneficial in this situation. These herbs reduce inflammation and can alleviate unpleasant symptoms. Honey, either mixed with tea or on its own, is a common remedy for sore throat. Combined with a warm cup of tea or warm water with lemon, honey just makes you feel better. It's extremely soothing and has natural antibacterial properties that can help get rid of a sore throat. Warm, cold. Figure out what kinds of drinks brings you relief from sore throat pain. Sometimes doctors recommend chilled drinks or food, like cold tea or ice cream. Other times, it's the opposite. However, we don't recommend consuming very hot or throat-irritating beverages or food, such as coffee, spicy food, etc. Massage. This exercise helps improve blood circulation in the throat, which in turn helps the body address the cause of the pain. Using your fingertips, find a sore spot on the front of your neck. Then, schematically, draw a line from it to the back of your neck. Massage the area for about 10 seconds. As you do so, slightly tilt your chin downwards and massage that spot for about 20 seconds. Many who have used this practice claim that it made them feel better. We encourage you to work through all the sore areas on your neck. If you have any questions, we look forward to seeing you in the comments. As always, watch our videos, subscribe to our channel, and stay healthy.